Greetings! Today we will tell you how to quickly and easily connect monitoring with emergency SMS notification to any frequency converter. In this video we will demonstrate the Danfoss VLT micro drive inverter as an example. What we need for this: the EM482 SMS alert controller, which works with Wi-Fi, and power supply 220 volts, 12 volts or 24 volts. In this video we will use a 24 volts power supply. Here we have already connected everything. The only thing you need is to connect terminals A and B on the EM482 to the frequency converter on terminals A and B. This is the Modbus protocol RS485 bus. We turn on the device into a network. The frequency converter began to work. Now we have to make the settings of the frequency converter. I've already said it, but I'll tell you how. It is necessary to enable data transfer via the Modbus protocol, set the desired address and read speed. More detailed screenshots of the settings I will attach to this video. Let's set the EM482 controller. In order to configure it, first you need to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. To do this, we press and hold the only button on this device. We see that the indicators begin to flash alternately, which means the device has switched to access point mode. Now, we take a phone or laptop, go to our list of Wi-Fi networks and find an EM482 access point. Now we connect to it. It is recommended to turn off the mobile data transfer, so I set the flight mode. Next we go to the browser, and in the address line we enter the address em.com. Now we enter the settings of this device. The first thing to do is to choose your Wi-Fi network. At this moment, this is my home Wi-Fi network. Enter your network password here. Then we need to change the speed of EM to the speed of supported frequency converter. In this case, it is 19,200. Next, we press Save and reboot the device. The access point is gone. Now we are waiting for the device to connect to our Wi-Fi network and connect to the Overvis server. After establishing a connection, the SRV lamp lights up. This means that the device is connected to the server. Done. With every device EM482, there are such stickers with QR code and an active link. We can scan the QR code, but I prefer to enter the link. We launch the browser. Now we are already connected to our home Wi-Fi network, and in the address bar we enter the link that is on the sticker. In this case, it is ocp.overvis.com/ and the pin that is on the sticker, and press enter. We are grateful for the purchase of Overvis Connect and are offered to bind the equipment to an existing account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create it in the form below and then click Register an account. Since I already have an account, I will simply log into my account. The setup wizard appears immediately. I see that the EM482 device is connected. I enter the name of the object and write test. Now I need to select the Modbus devices that are connected to the controller. The Danfoss VLT micro drive is connected here. I'm looking for it in the list of devices. Here is Danfoss VLT micro drive FC51. His address in the settings remained 1. I click to install the solution Overlook Connect. I got 2 devices on my network. Now I go to the Danfoss device. We see the visualization with the selected parameters, the most basic, and the entire list of parameters according to the manufacturer's manual. Let's try to read the data in real time. Since I have nothing connected to it, we see zeros. In the same way, I can read all other data. It appeared 1 and all its settings. I can change everything I see. To change, I need to click on the pencil, enter the necessary values, and click OK. Here we see on the visualization displayed the values from the frequency converter that were read. Now the most important thing that gives us overview. We can set up alerts. Let's add an alert. Name: engine failure. Let's not describe. Network. Since we have one network test, we select it. Device we choose, converter Danfoss. Parameter: motor current. Conditions: more than. If the current of my motor is more than 20 amperes, I need to get SMS to my number. Let's immediately write to the log as an failure and click Add Alert. Now, when I have a condition that the current is more than 20 amperes, I will receive an SMS notification about this failure. Thanks for watching, see you again.